Welcome back to episode 2 of Thrift Wars. Hopefully it's as good as Empire Strikes Back, although technically this would be Clone Wars. Ugh. So in the last episode I primed and painted the lightsaber, and I had to wait about a week for this chrome paint to cure thoroughly. We're in the middle of winter, things are taking a little bit longer to dry, and it was kind of tacky. But now it's fully cured and it's ready to be worked on. I purchased a laundry tray cup from a local hardware store. This is 1 in 27/64 of an inch, and this is gonna go right here. My workstation is already set up over there. Let's go. But what I need to do first is get my rotary tool and open it up a little bit just so I can insert inside. Sink some weights inside to give it a little bit of heft. And then install the laundry cup right in the top of this, just to kind of give it an appearance of a real working lightsaber.